traders, this is Matt with newbietrader.com and welcome to our daily results video for Monday, January 5th, 2015. I hope you all had a great holiday break. Glad to be back trading, and what a way to start off the year. Today we ended up with 19 trades. 4 of them were losers for a total of $1,300. Let me walk you through. The charts look a little different from last year's video, and it's because we've implemented a new auto signal tool for our trading room. And what it is, you see these large gray boxes, our bigger gray boxes. Well, when the gray box pops up, that just basically puts you on notice that by our rule set, almost all the conditions are right. We are just waiting for the actual signal. So the gray box, and you can see we're kind of trading to the downside, and I've explained kind of our rule set one other time. But so the gray box shows up, so you're on notice that, hey, a potential short is coming. And then this little box within the gray box, that's the actual signal. And then we have our normal profit rules and things like that. So as we walk through this video, just pay attention to where the gray boxes are, and you either have a pink box for going short or a aqua colored box for going long. And sometimes the signal and the notification conditions get right at the same time, like we did on the second trade here. So that one's you have to be a little quicker to react, but again, you have our other rule set. So you know, it's basically the gray box shows up when 4 of the conditions are correct, and then the signal is the actual signal. So prior to that, you already have 3 other things that you're on notice for. So anyway, first trade was to the downside, $310, $140 on the bounce. The market pretty much was selling off for the majority of the day, but on the Russell, we were sideways up through the open before we started making our first push to the downside. Again, you can see there was a couple signals over here, one for a $180 loss, one for a small $20 gain, but the market's still pretty much bouncing here sideways or slightly up on the Russell, and it's not until about 11 o'clock the profit-taking time frame kicks in that the Russell starts making its move down. You can see conditions were right. We had a signal long, $120, and then over here we had an $80 trade to the downside, $120 loss as the market took another bounce during the lunchtime dead zone, $250 to the upside, $30 to the upside, but then we started making a nice thrust to the downside, and it was basically a $260 win, a $50 win, another $50 win, and as this market continued to sell off, you can see we had, oh, sorry, these are overlapping a bit here. Let me just move that over so you can see that a little better. 190 win, $200 loss, 240 win, so 3 trades kind of back to back, 110, and then the market continued to go, 90, 40, and then you can see there's a $180 loss right around the quitting time, about 3:45. But anyway, it was just a fantastic way to start off the year. Again, 19 trades, 4 of them were losers, so our win percentage was great. We had money on our side most of the day, $1,300 daily total. So anyway, appreciate you for watching, and if you'd like to see what we're doing, just go over to newbie-trader.com/Russell. Thanks, and make it a great day.